Hi, I'm Jezza. I'm here to show you how to register for meal delivery service from Columbia Dining. Students with a Columbia Dining plan will receive an email with instructions to register. Fill out the form completely. Make sure to include your name, uni, email address, residence hall, and room. You'll receive a confirmation email with a unique configuration ID code and a link to download the app. Copy your configuration ID code, then open the app to complete your registration. Leave the Set Device ID field blank and click Start. Then do the same for location. When configuration ID appears, paste your unique code into the field, then click Start again. Now you're ready to place an order. Open the app on your phone and click the John Jay button. Click your pickup location, then click Next. Every day, Columbia Dining offers a bunch of tasty options for lunch and dinner. Share any allergies or intolerances you have so the team can make sure you receive a meal that fits your unique needs. Then pick your favorite meals for lunch and dinner. Make sure you click Next/Save, which will bring you to your shopping cart. Here you can review your order. Need to make a change? Hit Change Order to update your information or meal selection. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Submit so that your order is recorded. Remember, you must order by 12 p.m. every day. Meals will be delivered to your residence hall daily. Any questions? Email Columbia Dining. We hope to see you soon!